her mind. Now the heaven has eyes, but the devil grew wings and slept in the skies. Every time she steps, she devastates power. How we decorate, I sit back over there, spark, split and elevate. My mind remains great in this state. We conquered lands, walking through foreign kingdoms, dancing in the sand. Came into your orbit to teach you ways to decipher. Snakes we call them vipers, spread lies and despises. Now you caught up in a spider's web and made a pledge. Lost breath for what you said, vanished amongst the rest. A diamond brooch placed on each quote. You shall forget me not. Sliding down the mountainside is where I tied the knot. Skating out the sink with a hint of infidelity. A fleeting look into a semblance without melody. Candescence, insincerity, pulsating fluorescence. I was damaged goods and thrown here into the presence. Sparsely adrift, enchanting, thoroughly crafted. Ornate, sparkling Russian garnets laid as you departed. What you say on that day, she slowly slipped away. Let me stay for a moment on your mind, I hope and pray. Just waiting for the remedy all through them days. And I'm loving the remedy in many mad ways. And without the remedy, my mind is in a maze. Cause I'm going through the phases, just sitting on my days. And I sit in the chair and I wait there and stare. And I'm hoping that the remedy will always be there. Always be there, yeah. Always be there, yeah. Always be there, yeah. Always be there. Eastern stars, I regard you dearly. Come strut along my iris canvas until I see you all clearly. Hypnotized by a smile you supply, the withering grin. Shivering in righteous storms where you couldn't swim. A wild swan loitering with questions of exploiting. Serving every slur in any which way you pointing. Described in delicate tones, set in precious stones. She now foaming at the mouth every time she tries to moan. Outgrown all that you've achieved, glossy in its detachment. Hidden amongst the beats, splashing with affluence. But lapsing unbaited, trapping the lure of fate. A hostility that awakes inside that you isolate. Perforate all that's at stake and naturally attract. Have you all standing back, dropping coins in my hat. With stereolaced exterior, all perceiving. Be the steps of the godly, we oddly appealing. Through the purgatory, no woman could adore me. From the book of Job, I strode in robes of glory. The allegory so severe, you felt the rush. Adulterated and stained in the grievance of all corrupt. Just waiting for the remedy all through them days. And I'm loving the remedy in many mad ways. And without the remedy, my mind is in a maze. Cause I'm going through the phases, just sitting on my days. And